What if I told you that potential customers can now contact you directly from your Google Business profile via WhatsApp or text messages just like this? Google actually introduced a messaging option for business profiles a while back, but it never really took off and was shut down in July 2024. At the same time, apps like WhatsApp have blown up in the business world. So now, Google has decided to integrate WhatsApp directly into business profiles along with the option to chat via SMS, replacing their old messaging feature. This was first tested in South America, then rolled out in the US, and now it's available worldwide. That means you can now let customers message you straight from your Google Business profile via WhatsApp or text messages. In just a second, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. But first, let's look at the pros and cons of this new feature so you can decide if it's a good move for your business. Pros. It works on multiple business profiles. So if you have more than one Google Business profile, you can use the same WhatsApp link across all of them. It's super convenient for customers. Not everyone wants to call a business or dig through a website for answers. A quick message, way easier, especially for the younger generation. It has better open rates. 98% of WhatsApp and text messages get read, compared to just 20% for emails. That's huge if you want to reach customers fast. More ways to connect. Since you can add both WhatsApp and SMS, you double your chances of getting leads from potential customers. Let's now have a look at the cons. It only shows on mobile. For now. Right now, this only works when people search for your business on mobile web. It's not showing on desktop or the Google Maps app yet, but hopefully that will change soon. There is no built-in tracking. Google doesn't give you stats on how many people click your chat buttons. The only way to tell if it's working is to keep an eye on how many WhatsApp or SMS messages you're getting. It could get overwhelming. If you start getting too many messages, it might be hard to keep up. That said, I still think every business owner should turn this on. The benefits far outweigh the downsides. Let me show you how to do this. First, log into your Google Business Profile account and open your dashboard. Then click Edit Profile. In the pop-up, go to the Contact tab. Find the Chat option and click the pencil icon to edit. Choose WhatsApp or SMS from the drop-down. Let's start with WhatsApp messaging. Add your WhatsApp Click to Chat link. Be careful, this is not your phone number. If you don't have a WhatsApp link yet, this is how you can easily create one. You simply need to follow this format: https://wa.me/ then your full phone number in international format, no zeros, brackets, or dashes. Let me give you an example. Let's say I'm based in the UK and my phone number is 07123 456 789. And since the UK international country code is 44, my WhatsApp link will be https://wa.me/4471234567889. Once you've created your link, just paste it in and save. Let's move on to setting up text messages this time. Select text message from the drop-down. Pick your country and then enter your full phone number without adding the country code. Hit save. Your settings will be in pending mode for a few minutes while Google verifies everything. To check if it's working, search for your business on a web browser app on mobile only. Don't try to check in the Google Maps app, it won't show there. If you don't see the new options right away, don't panic, Google is still rolling this out, so give it some time. While you're at it, why not boost your Google Business profile even more by adding your social media links to it as well? You can watch the tutorial on how to do this right here. Now go ahead and set this up. It's quick, easy, and totally worth it.